How to hide a group conversation on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your Imo group conversation easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo app. Once you are there, choose the group you want. For example, the first one. Keep clicking on the screen and you're gonna find hide group. Are you sure to hide the group? You can unhide it. Group assistant box. To unhide this group, you should go to group assistant box. Click on hide. And like you see, the group is now hide. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and like.